Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S phone. This is the Galaxy S1. So at the back here there is a back cover. We're just going to pull it out open just like so, and here is a SIM card slot. Now with this one here, it uses the original standard size, a full size, and you can see here on this SIM card I've got a full size. Then I can cut it down to micro size or nano size. So we're going to use a full SIM card size, and then I'm just going to insert it in like that, and that's it. So now it is in. Once it is in, you can put the cover back on just like so, and if you need to remove it, then you will need to remove the battery, and then you need to pull it out. And that's it. So that's how you can insert or remove a SIM card on your Galaxy S device, or the S1. So that's it. That's all you have to do. After that, you can turn on your device, and your card should work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.